Are you getting fed up with seeing a big fat zero next to your account balance? What's more, now you need some more money to support your family, put food on the table, pay bills, and have fun. Do you have the same feeling? In today's video, instead of seeing that big fat zero, let's flip things around. Even if you've never made a single dollar online before, I want to help you make your first $50, $100, or even $500. This is a tried and true method that works time and time again in my world, since the majority of the work is already done by the people. It doesn't get any easier than this. There is no investment required, and it's available to all countries in the world. Let's get back to the video. Before we get to the website, you'll need to create and have your own PayPal account. So go to paypal.com and create an account for free by clicking this button. If you don't want to do that, you may set up your own bank account online by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a totally free account on that online banking website. Okay, first and foremost, I want to show you proof that this absolutely works. As you can see, I made this amount of money straight on this platform. There are actually ways you can utilize the platform and generate a lot more money, but I just wanted to show you proof that it works. And then you can see this payment that I received the deposit to my PayPal account. This is one of the many places I received money immediately to my PayPal account. You can also establish other online businesses since, as I mentioned, there are many various methods to make money using the platforms that I'm about to discuss with you in this video. I'm going to discuss Fiverr affiliates in today's video. I know a lot of you have heard of this website called Fiverr, but we're not going to be freelancers or offer services on Fiverr. But instead, I'm going to show you something unique that no one else is talking about, which is how to become a Fiverr affiliate. So in this situation, you won't have to sell anything or provide any services. Instead, we'll be smart and earn daily commissions on the Fiverr platform. You can promote this site and get people to sign up on various services and earn really quite large fat commissions by doing so. We don't need any skills. We don't have to sell anything to anyone. And we can actually earn daily money simply by promoting the Fiverr platform. So don't worry, this is going to be a very simple lesson for anyone, especially novices. And at the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus that will do 100% of the work for you. Now, let me answer your most important question. How much money can you earn with this website? We can look at the commission plan to see how much money you can make. You can see Fiverr commission plans here, and there are basically two types of commission plans. Fiverr CPA, $15 up to $150, and Fiverr Hybrid, which I'll explain in detail how exactly all of this strategy works. First, we'll look at the Fiverr CPA commission, which we can make around $15 up to $150. How do we know that we can make $15 to $150? It depends on the category and services that you promote. For example, if you have $150 in commission from only one single payment, you're going to promote the Fiverr Pro services. So for now, I'll just show you some of the Fiverr Pro services that we get to recommend to people. For example, some of the Pro logo design services are about this amount, which you can see here, and more of those Fiverr Pro services can be found here. Most Fiverr Pro services are quite expensive, costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars, which is why they'll pay you a large commission of over $150 when you successfully refer a sale. The best part is that it doesn't matter if your customer purchases a $100 service or a $3,000 service, you'll still earn a consistent $150. If you keep watching this video, I'll show you a couple of techniques for targeting people and selling to them, as well as referring them to a variety of Fiverr Pro services where you may earn $150 over and over. Let's imagine you're paid $50 for referring people to other services, but you actually direct them to the whiteboard and animated explainer. Now when I click on this link, you can see all of the services that we can recommend to others and earn a $50 flat commission. Now if you refer them to this service and then buy it, you can still earn $50, which is incredible. It doesn't matter what kind of services they buy. Even if it's just $5 worth of Fiverr services, you can still earn $50, which is an incredible commission plan. These are all the different categories that you can promote and earn a flood commission of $50. They're going to provide you different categories. For example, web design, mobile design, and e-commerce development. All of these categories are $40 commissions, and you may direct them to the local makers, web programming, website content, proofreading, and so on for a $30 commission. Then there's a $25 commission for writing articles, doing voiceovers, and providing virtual support. You may refer to any of these categories and make $25, and the rest of the categories can earn $15. In this video, I'll teach you the quickest and best way to make money with this Fiverr affiliate program, and I'll show you how to consistently earn $150 in commissions. I just want you to consider this. If you can refer just one person to this website for pro services, such as this one, you can earn $150 per day for $4,500 per month, which is incredible. You can simply refer people to this website for pro services, such as this one, and the customer will pay you $150 in commissions. So that's actually a much better way to make money on Fiverr than being a freelancer. Because being a freelancer requires a lot of skill. You have to wait for people to buy your services, and you have to spend a lot of time, which is a pain. And we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to earn commission on the Fiverr affiliate program, which is the first way to earn a commission. Now, the second way is actually Fiverr hybrid, which means that instead of paying a very high commission one time, they're going to pay you $10 regardless of what services you referred. And then, they're going to share with you 10% of the revenue for the next 12 months. Let me give you an example. Let's say you refer people to a service that costs this much. You only get paid $10. Even if you only make $10 today, tomorrow, next week, next month, or even the following months, whatever money is spent on Fiverr, let's say they buy this service and then go on to buy other pro services for $1,000 bundles right here on Fiverr. You can still earn 10% of the commission that is spent. So that's the complete commission structure that you can enjoy as well. But I personally prefer the Fiverr CPA method, where you can get one-time commissions right away, since that way I can get paid faster and that we can focus on the Fiverr Pro services where we can earn $150 over and over. That's how the commission plan works and how much money you can get from it. So if you want to join the Fiverr affiliate program, just click this button and we'll go to this page where it says Join Now right here. Let's choose your account type. If you choose private, you may simply enter your first name, last name, and email address and username. You can enter whatever username you want. Get your password and then go to the country area, where you can select any country you're from because they accept people from all over the world. From there, you can just select your language, phone number, and if you have one, your Skype account. Once you've done that, you can simply click the next button to sign up. It's actually quite simple, and I'll show you 3 ways in this video. 3 ways to drive traffic and 3 ways to acquire referrals for Fiverr Pro services. So let's look at the Fiverr Pro services right now. These are all instances of services that we can refer and make $150 in commission over and over again. From my own personal experience, I believe it is easier for me to concentrate on this category, which is graphic and design, because it is much easier to reference sales in this category, and there are so many of them. There are a lot of demands out there, and I'll show you 3 ways to meet them. For example, if you want to refer people to logo design, we click on this category and it takes us to this page, where we can see all of the different packages. It doesn't matter if you sell an expensive or cheap package, you can still make money. It's a much better way for us to refer them to much cheaper packages, like this one, where you can see the price they're offering by clicking on this link right here to see the example. So right here you can see the service provider and the seller is a level 1 seller. And a lot of people actually love them. And that's where you can refer your potential customers to this service, and when they buy it, you get paid. Now, the simplest way to gain a lot of referrals to the service is to go to reddit.com, which is essentially a free forum where you can join and then a lot of people are asking questions. For example, how can I design my website and buy a logo? I'd like to buy a logo, but I'm not sure where to start. What is the best way for me to track down that designer? You may simply search for the specific subject in Reddit's search box, such as this one right here, for example, where to buy a logo. Okay, so you can do a search for this phrase to check if anyone else has asked about this topic in the Reddit forum. Take a look at this method. For example, you can see the question right here. Look at this buyer right here. This person is asking about buying anything, and this is where you and I can help out by showing them the link and referring them to the Fiverr Pro services. They might sell their services for them, and you won't have to do any of the work. Simply respond to the Reddit post and with a brief answer, and then repeat the procedure if only one person buys what service per day or $150 per day. Another example is this. On Reddit, you can see that there are a lot of people looking for services, and if you're going to promote Fiverr Pro services, you can do it right here. So basically, it's like a website design, graphic design, and mobile design. Now we can just go back to Reddit and search for other terms like where to hire a graphic designer. And we can see that people are looking for graphic designers, hiring graphic designers, and so on. We can simply join up for a free account on Reddit, reply to them, send them a comment, and then provide a link to bring them to Fiverr Pro services, like logo design or this website design services, where you can easily earn $150 flat commission right away if they purchase a basic package. I don't see many people discussing Reddit, and this is a fantastic opportunity for you to do so for free. Another free option is to go to different forums, such as graphicdesignforum.com, where you can see a variety of different themes that people are discussing various designs by scrolling down below. That's where a lot of buyers who come here are looking to hire different graphic designers, and that's where we can get a lot of sales as well. So let's say I click on this one right here, and it takes me to this page where a lot of people are looking to hire different designers, and that's where we can refer them to the Fiverr Pro services and earn $150.